Take out the device and all the accessories. Take out the screws and install the white rack. Install the big white rack. Use screwdriver to screw up. Then install the small white rack on the right side of the device. There are 2 spare fuses to replace the broken ones in the device. Use a screwdriver to pry open the position of the fuse. When the fuse in the device is broken, replace it with a spare fuse. There are big and small white rubber rings for the spare ones on the filter. Replace with the broken ones if any. Remove the filter and you will see a small rubber ring on it. Replace it if you need. Unscrew the filter. You will see a big rubber ring. Replace it if you need. Insert the filter in the correct direction to ensure the proper function. There is a black spare rubber ring for Vacuum RF handle. When Vacuum RF handle has no section because of the rubber ring, replace it before operation. Connect the Vacuum RF handle. Insert connecting wire to the socket. Connect the 40,000 handle. Insert the connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the IR handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the facial RF handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the body RF handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect the cold hammer handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. Connect LED photon BLO handle, insert connecting wire and tighten it. You will hear a click when it is set. Put the connected handles and the rack in order. Connect the power cord. Check to ensure all the handles are installed, and then turn on the device. The function interface will show up after turning on. The time range is 0 to 60 minutes. It is advised to operate at the place for around 20 minutes. The energy range is 1 to 9. It is advised to be 3 to 6. Tap the 40,000. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. A mode is 40,000 constant mode, suitable for those with thick and excessive fat and need to lose weight. B mode is intermittent mode, suitable for those who want body shaping and small area treatment. Apply gel for ultrasound to the operation area evenly before the operation. Please note, Ensure the customer carries no metal or jewelry on the body before operation. It cannot be applied to those with metal implanted or applied near the heart or bones. Tap Vacuum RF. The working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. The RF energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. The section time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 7. The time is the section time in the section and the release process. The longer the time is, the longer the section will be. Please note, the section time is advised to be longer than the release time. The release time range is 0 to 9. It is advised to be 2 to 5. The time is the release time in the section and the release process. The longer the time is, the longer the interval is. When the release time is 0, it is the constant section mode. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with essence oil before vacuum RF operation. Avoid anything dense to block the probe. Select section level according to your comfort level. Twist counterclockwise to reduce the section. Twist clockwise to increase it. Tap body RF. The working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. The energy is advised to be 3 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel before operation. Mode A is the fixed mode. When the device is on, the energy on the handle reaches the set energy level and the red LED lights up. It is suitable for those who need firming and wrinkle removing. Mode B is the smart mode. When the device is on, the handle will slowly release the energy to the set value, and the red LED will light up after touching the skin. It is suitable for beginners and removing fine lines. Tap cold hammer. The working time is advised to be around 10 minutes. The energy is advised to be 3 to 8. There are A mode, cold mode, and B mode, hot mode. Select according to your skin condition. Apply essence evenly on face before cold or hot hammer operation. It can also be used while applying a facial mask. Cold hammer is to calm skin, relieve redness, shrink pores, and lock moisture. Hot hammer is to open pores to help absorption, relax. Please note, do not hold vent while operating hot hammer to avoid burning the skin. Tap the eye off. Working time is advised to be around 15 minutes. Energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or eye essence before operation. Tap facial RF. Working time is advised to be around 20 minutes. Energy is advised to be 2 to 8. There are A and B modes. It is advised to select B mode for the first time of use. Tap Start. Make sure the treatment area is evenly applied with RF special gel or facial essence before operation. Tap LED Photon BIO. The BIO working time is advised to be around 15 minutes. The BIO energy is advised to be 1 to 6. There are A, B, C, and D modes. It is advised to select A mode for the first time of use. Apply essence evenly on the treatment area, and it feels a little bit numbing while operation. The bigger the energy is, the stronger the feeling is. A mode, infusion, suitable for infusing nutrients and helping absorption. B mode, firming, suitable for those with sagging skin and fine lines. C mode, lifting, suitable for refined contour, preventing relaxation. D mode, rejuvenation, suitable for those with wrinkles, pigmentation, or coarse skin. The button on the probe is to adjust the LED lights and modes. Off button is to turn off the LED photon function. Mode and on button is to select modes and switch on. Click to turn LED photon function on. Click again to select LED lights according to your skin type. Wave is to adjust the flashing of a single LED light. It will flash while operation. If you need to change another LED light in flashing mode, click Mode to change to another color. Auto is to adjust the flashing of all LED lights. All lights will flash in turn while operation. It is suitable for rejuvenation, skin brightening, and relaxing. Please note, start LED and BIO at the same time to have a better effect.